Good morning and welcome to this new video. Today is all about exploring the last bits of Kuala Lumpur, as in 2 days we're already leaving this amazing city behind. So this video I just want to relax, a bit laid back and just explore the last few things on my list of things that I want to see here in the city. Of course that list is endless, but it's just a better reason to come back in the future. So yeah, I'm first going to head over to this popular Chinese temple. I'm very curious to that one, and I think after that we're just going to head over to a cafe, maybe to another gallery. So yeah, if you're ready for this day to start, let's go. 'It's around 9:30 and we have arrived at the Chinese temple, so let's head inside to check out the shrine, just the overall beauty of the temple. It's truly beautiful, so I'm very excited. Five minutes in and just wow, this temple is so lovely and beautiful. I can imagine why it's always so busy here. Although I must say that today, at this moment, it's not so busy yet. Maybe because of the day, it's Sunday today. So yeah, that makes it the perfect time to explore the whole temple. I'm going to head over to a cute cafe for some breakfast and a good coffee or something. So I'm going to Chinatown. I've not chosen which place yet, but in one of my previous videos where I explored Chinatown, I found lots of cute cafes. So I thought let's just go that way and see if we can find a cute spot as well. We have arrived in Chinatown after a short taxi drive, so I'm just going to walk a bit, relax, and see if I can find a cute cafe. So let's go. And I must say that Chinatown has definitely become my favorite area here in Kuala Lumpur. I just like the overall vibe so much. It's always lively and yeah, it's just great. We have settled at Mingo Cafe here in Chinatown, and I'm enjoying my matcha this morning. And it's really crazy to imagine that we just have 2 days left here in Kuala Lumpur. Although feeling a bit sad, I'm really ready for the next adventure in Chiang Mai, Thailand. So after I finished my drink and did a bit of reading, I'm going to head over to Ilham Gallery. And you might have known that in the last video, we actually wanted to go there as well, but we couldn't as it was closed. So yeah, I'm very excited to give it a second try. It's Sunday today and it should have been open since 11 this morning, and that's around now. So yeah, I'm going to head over there in a bit and explore some art. We have almost arrived at the gallery, Ilham Gallery, the second try today. As you might have seen, I've already talked a bit about it before this video, but because in the previous video we couldn't go because it was closed due to holiday. So yeah, we're going to try again. I'm super excited, as I said. It really feels like a bit of closing off the adventure here in Kuala Lumpur. It's just crazy to think that there's just 2 days left, but yeah, definitely making the most of it with this cozy morning. It's once again a very hot day today. I'm feeling very blessed with the weather. It's been quite a walk and I also took the step, but yeah, we're almost there. And there are definitely more travel videos incoming as well after leaving Kuala Lumpur, so if you're ready and excited for that, definitely consider to subscribe. The gallery is great. They have lots of pieces, and as I said, it's free entry. And we really see a mix between a piece of culture and also the information behind it, and news and historical events. So that's really nice. So yeah, definitely check it out if you're in Kuala Lumpur. Once again, it's free. Check out the opening hours, and yeah, it's really a great time here. In addition to that, they're also focusing on Malaysian culture, so I think it's also the perfect way to learn more about Malaysia. Let me know in the comments if you like to visit art galleries and maybe if you've even been here. After leaving the gallery, it's already 12:30, so that means that our cozy morning also comes to an end. I hope you enjoyed this, a bit of different kind of video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of Kuala Lumpur, check out this video where we're discovering the full Petronas Twin Towers area. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!